Welcome to 2.4.1.2. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my knowledge in Packet Tracer. So, I already did this for switch 1, so now I'm going to do this for the second one here. Basically, if you click on this, you can't configure it because it's locked. So, we need to add a console cable. Then we can configure it through here in the terminal. So the first thing we're going to do is enable, then config t, and then we're going to change the host name. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Okay, then we're going to do line console 0, and we're going to put a password. And we're going to use the password that they tell us to in the instructions here. So, that password. Okay. After that, we are going to log in to make sure access for that password every time we do log in. Then let's exit. Okay, then we need to do line vty 0, and we're going to use that password again. Okay, now we need to exit that. And then we're going to want to do interface VLAN1, and then we're going to enable our secret password. And we will use that for the secret password. Okay, and then we're going to want to go back into interface VLAN1 because it exits us when we add our secret password. Then we're going to want to do no shutdown to make sure that port is open. Okay, after that we are going to exit back out of there. Then we will we'll encrypt our passwords. So service password encryption. Okay. Then we're going to add our banner message of the day. So banner MOTG, and then I have it over here, so you won't have to watch me type the whole thing out. I will copy and paste it. Basically, you want to warn people that it is illegal to trespass here. So, next we're going to go back into interface VLAN1 because we want to add the IP address. So, we need this IP address and that subnet mask for the second switch here. So there's the IP address, and there's the subnet mask. Okay, and then next we are going to want to save everything to the VRAM, and then we'll be done. So, copy run startup. Yep, normal file there. And then, oh, sorry, one more thing we need to do before we can ping in between the things. We need to change the IP for user 2 because that wasn't changed yet. Static, and we need the IP address of 10.10.10.5 and subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Okay, and yeah, that's saved there. Now, what we can do is we can ping between switch 1 and switch 2. So let's try, we'll ping the first user. So let's try and enter that and see what happens. Well, actually no. Let's just pin the first switch because I'm not sure if pinning the user would work. So it's sending those bits, those bytes. Successful rate is 0%. Oh, right now the first switch isn't actually configured because I had to reset the assignment. But if it was configured, that would be working because you just saw me set up the entirety of switch 2 and I did not make any mistakes. As you can see, the score that I have is exactly half. So that means one of the switches was done. And that's it for the video. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in my next video.